Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase right back with another video. Today's video, I said we was gonna be buying on Metamask. Let me log in. So in this account, excuse me. As in this account, as you can tell, I had bought some coins in this. I sold it. Let me go back. I still got some Kishu coins. It's finally showed me a amount, so I got some money in here. But we are buying Shiba on this account, so we need to buy some Ethereum. How much is this? I bought for this. Gas fees. Okay. How do we want to do this? Let's see. Let's go to Coinbase. Oh, dang it. Coinbase, or how do we want to do this? I know we can buy through crypto. Matter of fact, we might as well just buy through Metamask. So Ethereum, we're gonna click buy. Click Apple Pay. Okay, it's under $1. That ain't too bad. So we're gonna do $55. No, we're gonna do $60. We're gonna do $60 because it's gonna take out my gas fees. So we're gonna pay for this. Take that out. Alright, boom. $65. Paying for gas fees. So we're gonna let this process. Okay, now so what we're gonna do next is we are going to go to Shiba Swap. Go to the shibatoken.com, and we are going to buy some sheep by using, number one, you're going to create a Metamask wallet. I have that. If you don't have that, this is what you want to do. Create a Metamask wallet. I have it on my iPhone, and you want to send Ethereum to your wallet or buy Ethereum directly on Metamask, which I just did. And you're going to, or if you were going to send it, make sure you send it to MetaMask and make sure you're on ERC20 network when transferring on the Ethereum, so that way you can have it correctly. Okay. Then third, you want to connect your wallet to Uniswap. Access your wallet through Uniswap by clicking connect to wallet and selecting MetaMask. Then you're going to swap your Ethereum for sheep, which we're going to do all of that in today's video. So let me go on and pull up Uniswap, which will be this. So here go to Uniswap. We're going to go here to see if it's okay. And I already received my Ethereum. So now I have $57.08 on my Ethereum right now. So now this is what we're going to do. You want to click connect wallet. You want to click wallet connect. So it picked up that one for me. I think it picked up my Trust wallet. I don't want that one. We're gonna disconnect that one. Here we go. This the one I want. So now we're gonna go back to Ethereum. Oh boy. So we got our MetaMask. Oh, I know what I can do. So sometimes when this don't want to work, just come on here and go to browser. And when you search, you just want to go to Shiba token. What's the website? Let's go back. Shibatoken.com. Shibatoken.com. And then you can come down here You go to click buy right there, but we're just gonna stay right here to click buy. You want to import this in here. So now it's a little bit easier. My MetaMask wallet is connected. You want to click Max. And the only thing that I don't like about Ethereum sometimes, you see how the price difference from gas fees and all of that, it dropped me down to $31, but which is fine. So now I can confirm the swap. It already took out the gas fee, so it'll be the amount of $57. The amount was that it can actively go through was that. So now I'm going to add token on there as well. Close. So now my 7 transaction was completed. So now some tokens went through. We at $35 as SHIB. Now I'm gonna try to get some more SHIB with this $16 I got left. That's the only thing that's kind of hard about this sometimes. Let's go to 0.0002. No, 5. No, I can't do that. 0.006. Let's see. Would they allow me to do that? Do I got enough money for that? Nope. $20. Okay, let's go back. Sometimes you just gotta play with the numbers too. 4. It's $8. What that bring me to? Ooh, I got enough money for this one. $16.06. It puts me right up under a penny. I'll take that. It's just waiting for that to complete. Let's go back to my wallet. And then once that complete fully, we can have our total SHIB. So since I don't have this Binance no more, we can remove this. Let me see. I thought I could remove it, but I gotta remove it. Let's see. No, you just click and hold on it. So we just hold that, click remove. And those up. So it finally went through. So now we have $43.72, which gives us a total of 5,219,574 Shiba tokens. Then on my crypto.com account, I don't think this gonna pop up either. Or if it do, we good. Let's see. Okay, it pops up. That's good. Okay, that's good. Let's go to my crypto wallet. So now we have a total of 31 million over here. It dipped today, which is good. It dipped. Now that it dipped, we bought some more coins actually on Ethereum. So you got roughly around, what's that? $43 worth of Shiba tokens. Shiba Inu tokens on Ethereum market. And then we have 31 million tokens on crypto.com. But this is how simple it is to buy on Metamask. So now we have we invested $60 over here. Yeah, so we don't really have to worry about the stock market this week. This week we invested in I forgot. It won't allow me to show my account since I got it on my phone. But yeah. So now all we gotta do is just wait and hold the front door. That's it. It shows our 2 transactions once it officially load. Oh, well, we haven't sold or seen nothing, so we just bought it. But yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is to buy on Metamask. You're gonna click you're gonna get Ethereum, you're gonna buy, get a little bit more Ethereum. You see the gas fees be high and stuff like that, but on crypto.com the gas fees is a little bit lower. So if you have your preference, you can do either or if you want the actually tokens, you can do it this way. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. This is how you buy on Metamask. This is how you buy Shiba Inu on Metamask. And y'all have a great night, a great day, and Chase Way out. Peace.